Be showing you how to make a Facebook post. So I'm here on Canva again, and right here you see where we have Facebook post already here. So you could just go ahead and click on it. However, if that wasn't the case for you, then you would just come up here in the search box and type it in. Chances are you may see it as a part of the suggested, but if not, you can just go ahead and type it in. So I'll just do that. And then it would come up. As you see here, it comes up with a lot of different suggestions for Facebook posts. So you have the regular Facebook post, you have a summer, you have spring sale, and food, and lots of others that you could click on. And depending on what, let me show you. When you, for example, if you click on food here, food Facebook post, then you get a lot of different templates with food items on them. So depending on which one you click on, then you will get templates that are related to that content that you intend to post on. But I'm just gonna do a blank one. So I'm just gonna do one from start. So I'm just gonna click on a blank post here. All right. And because we did food Facebook post, you see all of these coming up, but you could always, as I said, it depends on which one you want. You just go in and type it in. So for my post, I want to have it with different sections to it. So what I'll do is I'll click on elements here. And then I'll go down to grids. Now with the grids, I can choose to have just one, like for example, just one picture here on the page. But depending on the number of grids that I click here, choose from here, then I can have two images side by side, or it could be an image along with a video, or an image along with some text. Could be up and down like that. It could be like this one, three going horizontally or three vertically. So it's a lot of different ones that you can choose from. All right, so I'm gonna be clicking on one with the three going horizontally. So for my post for today, I believe I'm just gonna focus on some exercise. So I'll just use the photos that are here to just create a post. So I'll go, do I want to do exercise? So I'm gonna bring this up like this because I need some space down here for where I'll put in some text. So I'm just gonna do a post highlighting food items that contain zinc. So I'm gonna go here to photos, click on that. I'll just use the photos that they have here on Canva. So the first food item I'm gonna look for is some beef. Yes, you see we have a lot of different beef coming up. So as you can see here, guys, we have the posts that are free, and you have the ones that are that have pro on them. So once you're a subscriber to Canva, as I am, I would be able to get this post for free here. So guys, we have different posts here. You have the ones that are free and the ones that you would have to be a subscriber to Canva to be able to get them. So I'm just gonna choose a free image right now. I'm gonna scroll down. I like this one, but let me scroll down and see what else might be there. These cuts look really good. Yeah, there's that cow just looking at me, but yeah, okay. Let's go up. Ooh. Now I have my image, and you might be wondering, how do we fit it in this little box up here? So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on one of these edges here and hold it, and then you would just basically drag, because it's just a matter of clicking and dragging. Yeah, so you click and drag to the size that you'd want, and then you just click on the image and drop it into the box that you want it to be in. No, I'm gonna undo that because I want more of the beef to show up than just what is being showed right there. So let me minimize that some more so it's a bit slimmer. So I'm minimizing it, guys, so that the height of it matches the height of one of these photo elements here. All right, now let me bring it back. I'll undo that. Alright, I'm just put it in. Let's see if that look more like I want. Not even know. This look better. I'm gonna try the Pro one since I have access to that. Alright, so I'll be choosing this image here. Ooh, this looks really nice. Alright, so this is a nice piece of well cooked beef here. So I'm gonna choose this one and put it here like that. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this is the one that I've chosen to use. The next item, or the next one, is gonna be some legumes. Now let me look up legumes, because legumes is another type of food that contains zinc. So I'll be looking up some legumes. Wow. And see, we have a wide variety here. So again, you just click on one of these edges and you just drag and the size that you want. And then you just put it where you want it to be. Alright, so that's our legumes. Alright. The next type of food that contains zinc is shellfish. So I'm gonna include some shellfish on this. I think I'm gonna crop this first because I want to focus more on the shellfish that is right here. So I'm gonna crop it. So I'll crop it by clicking on the crop button here. Then I can drag it to, highlight that part that I want. Alright, then when I'm done, I'll click done. And then now I'm just gonna click on one of these sides and drag to minimize it. Again, I'm trying to get it to be at a size that is at the height of one of these boxes, these rectangle elements here. And then I'll just drag it and drop. All right, good. So we have that there. So now I want to include some text. So I'll just choose this one that says subheading, other subheading. I'll choose this one and then I'll bring it down to here where I want it. Then I'll just click here on this little circle and use that to maximize it. It's okay if it comes off the page because it's okay if it comes off the page like this, because you can always just drag and fit it back on the page. So I'm gonna now type in that which I wish to see. Alright, so I'm gonna start out with beef. Alright, why am I not have time for this to know? Oh, I think it's white, right? And alright, because so I'm changing the font color because the font color is white, so that's why I'm not seeing anything when I'm typing. So let me just change that to a black. Yep, we're seeing the words now. Alright, so I'll just start typing. So I'll type in red meat. All right, I'll probably need to minimize this because these words are too big right now. So red meat such as beef, legumes, and shellfish all contain zinc, So red meat such as beef, legumes, and shellfish all contain zinc. If you wanted at this point, guys, you could go in also and change your font to probably a different font style, and you would have a wide selection to choose from. Bear in mind though that not all the font styles will be available to you depending on the form of Canva that you're using. In other words, it depends on whether or not you're using the free version or the pro version. So depending on which version you use, you'll be limited to some things. All right, so right here I have red meat such as beef, legumes, and shellfish all contain zinc. I could also go ahead and change the color of those words, but I mean, so let me see what red would look like. And I can't bother it, but some black, red. I think I'll keep black. All right, and then so that's it, guys. And then I know I'm just gonna add my act. So that's it, guys. That's basically how you can create a post in Canva. And there are lots of different versions because as you see here, I just chose to use this particular element where I can add 3 different images in a horizontal looking style here. But you could choose a lot, basically any way to present your image, right? And the good thing is that because it's a Facebook post here in Canva, then it already comes with a specific image requirements for post requirements for Facebook in terms of the width and height and all of that. So you could also go ahead, as you see here, we have the part that says publish to Facebook. So if you had your Facebook up, then you could just go ahead and publish it. Or if you had a Facebook connected to Canva somehow, then you could just go ahead and publish this straight to your Facebook page and you would be good to go. So yeah, guys, so if you have any questions about any of this and anything else you'd like to see, then let me know in the comment section below and I will respond to you. So until my next video, guys, bye.